Clubbing will make you very good at door-to-door sales, and I'm telling you this because there is something right beneath your nose that you don't even know is there, and once you start to do it, you're going to get lots of sales. So if you guys don't know what it is called the bandwagon. And the bandwagon, the way that I like to explain this is actually pretty simple. Imagine there's two restaurants. If there's one with tons of people outside, the line is around the corner, there's tons of people waiting to get in and it looks really exclusive, and there's another restaurant that doesn't have anybody at it, which one are you more likely to go to? Because most people, I know for a fact, will choose the one that has tons of people. So if we were to take this concept and we were to think about when we are going out and selling, people are always going to know if something is off. And they will know if something is off because if there's nobody outside, that probably means that the food isn't that great or the club isn't that good and there's not that many people in it. And what happens is a lot of times we need to be able to make a decision on, okay, which one are we more likely to get a better outcome at? So imposter syndrome is very real, especially in new neighborhoods when you're going out to knock. And this is when I'm saying people can feel that something is off. You're going to have this not really swagger to you because you don't feel comfortable in that neighborhood yet. You don't know all the stories. You don't know where everybody goes to. You don't know what happened last weekend when somebody got shot just in that neighborhood. The way that you actually become accustomed and you start to feel good in these neighborhoods is you stick around them long enough. And with this being said, I want you to understand the Clover effect. So hypothetically, we were to go out to some bars, some clubs in LA. Most times what we would do is we would go hit club number one. And then we have people telling us in our ear, they're like, hey, there's a good club like two places down from here. Let's go over there. So we go over there and we walk there. And then we walk to the next club. And then we go to the fourth club. And we go all over in LA. Now, if somebody was like, hey, let's go to a club, I know some good ones in Calabasas, that is like an hour drive. You're most likely not going to make that drive, and you don't know all the different clubs out there. You don't know all the different people. So in reality, you're probably just going to stick in LA because it's not like the party is going to go crazy out there. So that is pretty much the Clover effect. You're going to be around, and whenever you get a sale, you're always going to want to knock the next door neighbors. They're going to be the ones that are most likely to know who you're talking about. And if you can name drop, people always buy from people that they like, and people always hang around people that they like. So if we're able to name drop, people can know, okay, well, we're buddy with your friend over here. We have a good service. We have people lining up throughout the neighborhood that want to get the service done. You've seen our trucks. Let's just get it done. That's really all I have to say. If you guys are looking to join a sales team, feel free to book a call down below. We do blitzes all the time where we bring out sales reps and you guys can make tons of money and learn this stuff directly from us.